Okay, here's the PCV valve for 2012-2016 Kia Rio. It might fit other models. I'll put the part number in the description. And on the Kia Rios, just pull off your engine cover. It just pops right off. Let me show you. Just a couple tabs. Let's pop that right off. Put it aside, and the PCV valve is right here. So just take this clamp off with a plier, pull the hose off. It's got a little rubber, a little foam thing. Just take that foam thing off, and then you're going to want to use 14mm wrench, and this is threaded into the engine. Just unthread it and put the new one in. And that's it.